Om Swastiastu. Okay, so good evening everyone who's ever watching this video and miss. I hope this could bring maybe some benefits for you guys. Okay, so let's get to the point. So I will tell you guys step how to make a tomato soup. Okay, this tomato soup is very healthy for you guys, and maybe who started to start gym maybe, or maybe got a sick, or sometimes fever or something like that. This tomato soup is good for you. I hope this will bring another benefit from this for your health. So let's get started. First step, you have to prepare all of the ingredients in this. So there's tempeh, there's maybe 4 tomatoes and 1 egg, and maybe as much one garlic and chili, as much one an onion, and this I have maybe half of a kale. Yeah, kale. You maybe once know, like Indonesia it was dada mentok, yeah, kale that has been rinsed with the water and a little bit of salt, so of the bacteria is all died in the mix. Maybe this also you will need oh, forgot the oil. And maybe it's also you need a bowl and a spoon and a knife, a cutting board. Of course, the pan may be a white pan because you want to make soup, and then of course the spatula. Yeah, and you will need a chopper so you can mix all of the spices into together. So let's get it cooking step. Okay, so for the first step, we have to cut the all of the tomatoes into pieces, maybe small pieces like square. So it will easy to cook the soup. So easily dissolve in the water when you try to mix in the pan like that. Okay. Oh yeah, guys. So make sure you have to prepare like maybe 2 plates, like for one's for the ingredients and one for the trash. Maybe this is not useful. This is not necessary in the ingredients. Okay, so let's cut off the tomatoes. And the second step, maybe you can cut the chili first or the onion. So I'm just gonna go with the chili first, so it will be easier. So put the chili in the bowl because we want to mix it in the chopper, so it will. So you don't have to like.
Mana dia yang pisau yang kecil ya?
Tahu dah di mana kader.
Hah?
Tahu dah di mana kader. Sorry, my dad is like hanging around watching her child making a video like this. Okay, so we continue to cut this onion, I mean. Sorry, so quite embarrassed. I'm just quite embarrassed to talk English in front of my parents. I don't know why, but yeah, that's the point. That's the whole point. Why keep silent when they were close to me? Okay, after that, so make sure the trash. So make sure you separate the different trash between the maybe wet ingredients in a different place. So right now, the third step the third step you have to peel off the skin from the onion. So yeah, just peel it. Just so much. Actually, my mom said if you want to use the skin, it's actually okay, but make sure to so like this. Yeah, it's not like quite dirty. Yeah, so make sure it was clean and hygiene. So yeah, I think there's benefit from the onion skin. I don't know what, just forgot about that. But my mom said if you want to use the skin, it's okay actually. But if you want to look some maybe necessary and looks clean and looks like a gentle, I'm not gentle, like elegant. Yeah, it looks elegant. You have to peel all of this skin from the onion. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is the last onion, guys. Oh yes, I want I want to say something. If you want to peel on the onion, maybe you should. I'm sorry. Should maybe to keep the distance from you to the onion because it's quite could make you cry. Yeah, it could make it. Okay, so that's all of the onions. So let's get to the next step. Okay, so after that, and then maybe the fourth step, maybe you can cut this. Maybe I want to use half of this tempeh. So let's just cut it half. Okay, but if you want to use as much as you want, if especially if you were vegetarian, yeah, you don't want to eat meat, yeah, especially. So you can use a lot of tempeh because tempeh is made from the soy and it has a lot of protein in it, and yeah, low calorie. If you maybe boil it, yeah. So just cut it into long rectangle. Yeah, rectangle. Yeah. Yeah, like this. The rectangle shape. Oh. Will be separately from the other ingredients because we want to fry it separately from making the soup. Yeah, because we don't want to because I don't want to make like boiled tempeh like that. So I want to fry it. Okay, so let's get the next step. Okay, so for the maybe fifth steps, you cut the chicken. Maybe I want to use the half because yeah, you guys could use as much as you guys want, but I think I'm gonna use half this. Cool. Cut half, maybe about this. I don't know. Maybe it's a three cut. Okay, okay. 1.3 maybe. Chicken. 1/3 of the chicken. I don't know how to say it in English, just like that. It's quite big though. First, you have to cut the long shape first, so because so it's good, so you could make it into the dice easily, like this maybe. Wait. Yeah, maybe like this. Should I see it? Oh no, so hard. Like things quite bad today. It's quite bad. Okay, so it's already all of the chicken in it, and then you want to make it smaller shape because so the soup will a lot feel like a lot of condiments right there. Make it tiny shape of the chicken. Okay, so done. Maybe you want to put it in here. The same as the tomato because it's wet ingredients. Okay, so that's it, cutting. So let's go to the chopper section. Let's go. Okay, so guys, we are back to the kitchen. So I want to tell you guys before I will tell you the text. This step is quite complicated, but I will show you guys how to work and how to cook properly and efficiently. So you have to turn on all these two stoves and then you have to boil the chicken. So when it was done, yeah, when this was done, you just can pour out the on the soup, yeah, and then don't forget to cover it. Don't forget to cover it. So you do it fast, man. And then don't forget to turn on this on the stove. So because we want to fry these tempeh right there, and then we are on a chopper section. So I want you guys to chop. To use the chopper to mix all the spices. Oh no, egg, sorry. So just put it in there, yeah, just like that. And then you just cover it. Sure. Okay, just cover it like that. Okay, so oh my god. Cover it like that, and then don't forget to hold it. So yeah, it won't be running anywhere. Till like this. Okay, so turn on and plug off the electric section. Oh, sorry. So yeah, it's hard to work alone. I can't. So So sorry, I can plug on the other electric system, okay? And then pull out all of these. Oh, just look at that. Oh, nice slices. And then we have to move this into the bowl, yeah, in this small white bowl. So wait. Okay, so I already put it into the bowl, and then don't forget to put the toast into its places back. After that, you must see if the chicken was cooked already or not. I think it's not cooked already, so I want to turn it back to fire. Okay, so we're gonna put on the tempeh, yeah, fried tempeh. So just put it all of it. Just be careful because this oil is hot, like that. Okay, and fry and cook this until it's golden brown. Oh my god, the water. If this happen in the water, while you want to cook, to boil the chicken, just turn down the fire, so maybe the water could get up as fast as possible. Okay, so this, and you have to wait until it's maybe golden to golden brown. It's golden brown to brown. Well, okay, so I open up the maybe the close. Oh, the chicken is already cooked. Okay, and then it's tomato. Okay, so the tempeh is getting golden brown. It's okay. You have to maybe stir it a little. And just wait for a few minutes or a few seconds maybe, because it's on the biggest fire. You don't want to get burned, yeah. Just wait. While waiting for the tempeh to cook, we have to separate the water and the chicken. Yeah, wait, just wait with tempeh. Okay, so the tempeh is already cooked, and then the chicken is already cooked too. So after that, we have to make the spices together. I'll combine the spices together. So put the oil a little bit. Okay, so then turn on the stove. Okay, just like that. Yeah, I want to make some different dish from that. Okay, after that, just wait. I think it's already hot. So we have to put in this spices to all of it. All of it. Sure, put it all of it into the bowl right here. Yeah, just like that. Then you crack the egg. Use this bowl to mix all the eggs, so there's no waste any other ingredient. And don't forget to wash your hand. So there's no wasting of the ingredients. Okay, it's done. Good. Like that. Sure. Stir it fast as soon as possible. Oh, some. I think this is too dry because not enough oil, so that just add it maybe a little bit oil, because you don't want to be too oily because it's not good for your health. Oily food. Okay, I think this is enough. Yeah, this is enough. It smells good. After it's quite golden brown, maybe about this, like this golden brown. Separate it clearly. Maybe put it in the edge. Then you mix the egg first. Mix the egg mix. And you put it into the. So there's a lot of protein right here, yeah. So that. Then you just put it. Just put it like that, and then mix it with, just to make sure the eggs is well cooked with all of the spices. Okay. Yes. After like this, the spices combine, getting together. You just have to put maybe a lot of water. Maybe I'm gonna using this glass about 2 glasses of water. 2 glasses of water. Use your hot water, yeah, so it will get boiled fast enough. But still half of it. Yeah, maybe only 1 glass is enough. Just like that. And after that, we'll mix it thoroughly till all of the ingredients combine together. Oh, okay. Turn down the fire. It's dangerous. Make sure it's still hot. And then after that, you put all of the main ingredients into the section. Okay. And then try to smash it until the tomato is all dissolved into the mixture. So I'll cut this. What's the next one? Okay, just wait. And then after that, while waiting for that, while that mixture to cook, you have to just wash all of these first. Separate from the plates and all, like the bowl. And be careful of the sharp knife. Careful of the sharp knife, it will be less so clean this sharp knife too. Just have to maybe put a little bit of soap right here. Yeah, like that. And soap right here. Okay. Yeah. And use this sponge and clean all of the edges. And the cutting board, don't forget. Bowl was from the chicken. The spoon, small bowl, of course, plate. And after you cleaning all the tools, okay, so let's continue to mixing it. Oh, I think it's already enough to destroy the tomatoes. Okay, so you just wait until it's properly combined. Okay, after that, okay, so oh my gosh, sorry. So mixing quite long, and it become like this. So all the spices, all the eggs, The tomato is combined and completely combined, like a full soup. And then after this, you just add a finisher like this. Maybe mushroom essence. Yeah, just a little bit of it. Yeah, just like that. Don't forget the main is salt. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. Yeah. Just I think that's enough. After that, turn off the stove and just give it a try with your small finger. Yeah. Delicious enough. After that, you guys could maybe prepare quite enough big bowl. Oh wait, sorry. Try to put on all this soup into the bowl. Wait. And then just adding a little bit of topping of the tempeh so it's a little nice and cool, like a black lava soup. Yeah, just look at it. Wonderful and healthy, yeah, guys. Okay, guys, so that's how to make all the soup. Yeah, so just look at that. It's just it's very amazing. Yeah, looks cool. I want to say thank you very much for all of you guys. By the way, I just work alone and I was home alone, so there's nobody wants to help me. So it's okay. Because of that, I want to say thank you guys, and I hope you can guys see me in the next video. And I will close by Parama Santi. Om Santi Santi Om. Thank you everyone. I hope this could bring a lot of benefit for you and your health. Bye.